Hello, I am Sanika from Select Foreign Education Academy. Today we will talk about cost of studying in the United States of America. While USA has become a dominant force not only in its own country but all over the world. Every student wishes to study in the USA because of prestigious university and the things which you will get to the experience in the USA will not be found anywhere else in the world. Cost of studying in the USA can come up to your tuition fees, travel insurance fee, health insurance fee, your transportation fee, accommodation cost, leisure activities, entertainment purpose, cultural activities, and many more. Now let's talk about it. I have listed an average annual fees for different types of universities. Suppose if you go for a community college, the cost will be 17,000 to 20,000 US dollars. For private university, the cost will be 52,000 US dollars. And for public university, the cost can be around 25,000 US dollars. For an annual average fees for post-graduation, the cost for public university is around 25,000 US dollars. Whereas for private university, the cost is around 40,000 US dollars. Nevertheless, you can always opt for a scholarship in accordance with the eligibility of your course, or you can go for an education loan. Moreover, the government of US allows you to work 20 hours in a week. I have tabulated tuition fees in different universities, such as for Massachusetts Institute of Technology. The cost is around 54,000 US dollars, and the same is for Stanford University as well. Whereas for Harvard University, the cost is 52,000 US dollars, and for University of Chicago, the cost is around 60,000 US dollars. Cost for US student visa. If your course is more than 18 hours in a week, then you will have to apply for F1 visa. And after you get an admit letter from any university in the America, then you will have to go for a visa application fee that will cost you $350 US dollars. The monthly expenditure for an international student can range between $1,000 to $4,000 of living in USA. Your cost of living can also depend on the city which you live in. Suppose if you live in cities such as San Diego, San Francisco, New York, Boston or Washington, then the cost will be little higher compared to other cities in the USA. Accommodation cost is around $5,000 to $7,000 yearly, and off-campus accommodation can cost you $300 to $400 per month, whereas the food is estimated to $2,500 per year. The traveling cost in the USA can range to $300 to $700. It also depends upon the location you live in. Textbook and study material is cost around $500 to $1,000 yearly, and other expenses will be around $2,000 yearly. Well, USA is indeed a prestigious and reputed country to study. If you are someone who wish to study abroad, book a free counseling session today with us. Thank you.